Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in home improvement and technology products. Today, we have something truly exceptional to showcase, the best indoor motion sensor light currently available on the market. If you've ever found yourself fumbling for a light switch in the dark or worried about safety in poorly lit areas of your home, this product is a game changer. So, stay tuned as we dive into the features and benefits of this motion sensor ceiling light. Let's start by taking a closer look at this amazing motion sensor light. It's brought to us by the KEPLUG store, and it's packed with innovative features that will make your life easier and your home safer. First off, notice its sleek and modern design. This ceiling light is designed to complement any interior style seamlessly. And speaking of style, it's available in 3 different color temperatures to create the perfect lighting atmosphere in any room. Now, let's talk about what sets this product apart: its motion sensor technology. With a built-in microwave motion and light sensor with a 120-degree detection angle, this light turns on automatically when it detects motion within 9 to 18 feet. No more searching for light switches in the dark. It's especially helpful for the elderly, children, or anyone with night blindness. But that's not all. This motion sensor light offers something truly unique: adjustable lighting. You have the power to choose from 3 color temperatures: 3000K warm white, 400K natural white, and 6000K cool white. It's like having 3 different lights in one fixture, perfect for creating the ideal ambiance in any room. Let's talk about modes and installation. This light provides 3 different modes to suit your needs. You can choose between on mode for constant light, off to turn it off, or auto for motion sensing. Installation is a breeze with detailed instructions and all the mounting hardware included. It can be mounted on the ceiling or the wall, making it versatile for various spaces. And let's not forget about energy efficiency. This motion sensor light is not only convenient but also eco-friendly. Thanks to its intelligent motion and light sensor, it provides 1,600 lumens of light while consuming just 18 W of power. That's equivalent to a 180 W incandescent light but with a much longer lifespan. Over 30,000 hours. Plus, its ultra-thin design is perfect for any interior style. So, in conclusion, if you're looking for the best indoor motion sensor light on the market, your search ends here with the KEPLUG motion sensor ceiling light. Its sleek design, adjustable lighting, motion sensor technology, and energy efficiency make it an unbeatable choice for enhancing safety and convenience in your home. Whether it's your hallway, closet, stairwell, or any other space, this light has got you covered. That's all for today's product critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with this motion sensor light, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.